How to zoom in and out on TikTok video. So go ahead to the iPhone settings menu. In this page, scroll down and select accessibility. Now TikTok doesn't have this built-in zoom feature, so what we have to do is to click on zoom, enable this toggle for zoom. Now double tap and hold the screen with 3 fingers before dragging up and down to zoom in and out. Now move 3 fingers around the screen to position the zoom. Open TikTok and use the new zoom function to get a closer look at the videos. Now, if this is too hassle for your liking, another alternative we can do is to open TikTok, go to the video you want to zoom, save it on your phone, and now proceed to your photos, find the video, and as you can see, you can now zoom it in and zoom it out. So that is how to zoom in and out on TikTok video. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.